Welcome, car enthusiasts. The IONIQ 6N isn't just another EV, it's Hyundai's latest N flagship, even more advanced than the phenomenal IONIQ 5N. We'll delve into its design, interior, and the driving experience of this electric beast. The IONIQ 6N is slightly longer than the standard IONIQ 6 with a 2,915mm wheelbase. Its sleek yet muscular design perfectly blends elegance and aggression. The signature parametric pixel lights remain, enhanced by functional aero elements and blacked-out badging. Bright N-specific orange accents and the new performance blue pearl paint signal its high-performance identity. The side profile showcases sturdy 20-inch Pirelli P0 wheels and large end brakes, crucial for its over 2-ton weight. A 360-degree camera and flush door handles optimize aerodynamics. The rear track, 60mm wider than the front, ensures stability and grip. The rear is a masterpiece featuring N-specific taillights, a large ducktail spoiler, and an aggressive diffuser. A new upgraded speaker hides beneath the N badge. The boot offers decent space, though internal bracing bars contribute to the chassis stiffness, making it the stiffest N model yet. Stepping inside, the cabin is remarkably quiet thanks to excellent sound insulation. The revolutionary new N mode allows for various adjustments, including the stereo N active sound system with evolution or supersonic modes, altering ambient lighting and the tachometer display. The cabin includes a functional wireless charger, ample storage, and comfortable Alcantara and leather seats with illuminated N badges. Heated and cooled seats plus a heated steering wheel enhance comfort. Crucially, physical controls for the AC were retained and customizable N buttons on the steering wheel add convenience. Rear seats offer generous headroom and legroom, though the leg angle isn't ideal due to battery placement. They are comfortable, featuring a fold-down center armrest with cup holders and heated seats. From 0 to 100 km an hour in just 3.39 seconds and braking from 100 km an hour to 0 in 2.79 seconds, 35.51 meters, truly impressive. It boasts 448 kilowatts, 740 newton meters of torque, boosting to 478 kilowatts, 770 newton meters of torque with the N Grin Boost. It shares the IONIQ 5N's 82.5 kilowatt-hour NMC battery with adjustable temperature ranges for optimal performance. Shorter gearing ratios create a more engaging sports car-like feel. Advanced ZF semi-active dampers adjust for stiffer cornering. The car feels like a sharp tool. The simulated dual-clutch shifts provide a realistic and engaging experience. Handling is sharper than the IONIQ 5N, feeling like a scalpel. Its lower center of gravity contributes to impressive stability and drifting capabilities. After driving the Hyundai IONIQ 6N, I can only say it's absolutely epic. Its captivating driving dynamics and striking appearance brought a wide smile to my face, despite it being an EV. Hyundai has crafted an exceptional all-rounder, sharp and precise handling for spirited drives, yet comfortable and quiet in normal mode for daily commuting. The IONIQ 6N proves that the electric car era doesn't have to be boring. It's a testament that performance, emotion, and sustainability can coexist in a highly compelling package. For those seeking an EV that's not just fast, but also engaging and thrilling to drive, the Hyundai IONIQ 6N is an unmissable choice. It will redefine your perception of electric vehicles, and I believe this is just the beginning of what's to come from Hyundai's N division. Get ready, because the future of electric automotive is about to get very exciting.